Hey up everyone, so I've had some parcels arrive lately and now I know what's in a couple of them, but not in this one actually. I know what's in that, well I think. I don't know why I've got two, but I thought you'd join me in my unboxing. If I can unbox. So this will give you a big clue. Open it. Oh. Now I've had all sorts of problems with delivery. I swear they don't even knock, they just track and turn up. So this is a clue. It's one of the accessories, because apparently Macs don't have USB portals anymore and I'm old school. I want a USB portal and I'm so excited about this. If I can open it. I've not had a Mac for years, so I'm super duper excited. Look at that. Now the key is to keep it away from the kids. We'll see if that's possible. I might say to the kids that they can have my HP laptop as long as they don't get their sticky fingers on my Mac. So excited. Oh, so lovely and slick. I love it. There's my cables. There's my chargers. Actually, I should have bought a Mac cover. This is beautiful. Ooh, it feels so good. Oh, it's coming on, I'm so excited. And I just can't wait to have a fast working laptop. Touch wood. Now it's going to go slow on me, isn't it? Oh. Press the return key to use English as the main language. And there we have it. And I've just remembered I've left the cooker on, so I better go. Hello again. So I've burnt my cooking, my nice lunch. I'll just let it cool down. Somehow I managed to burn everything. It's just ready-made quinoa and spinach leaves, but I left it on and I forgot because I was talking to you guys. Never mind. Anyway, I'm intrigued to see what's in this parcel because I'm not actually expecting anything. Ooh. So seeing is the This looks nice. Can you see it? Sorry. Meadowhall, British land. Oh, this is nice. Hi Sophie, we look forward to meeting you on the 5th of July for our ladies' night. Enclosed you'll find a delicious gin treat to get you excited for the night. If you take a picture... Oh, lovely. How nice is that? Hotel Chocolat. gin. Ooh, Too Faced born this way. Love this. Meadowhall Ladies Night. And actually you guys are going to follow me for Ladies Night very soon. Yay. Oh, what a night, it's Ladies Night. Shoppers get set for a night of style, sophistication and jaw-dropping deals. To meet celebrity soap star Jamie Lomas. I think he's the dude off Hollyoaks. I'm now probably too old a demographic for Hollyoaks. Although I was on Hollyoaks once as a belly dancer. It will be the first Ladies Night since the big transformation, including Michael Kors, Flannels, Tag Heuer, Urban Decay and Neil's Yard. I'm excited, and my friend Rochelle's coming, the one who I went out with the other night. What a lovely treat. So that was a very nice surprise. Right, see you guys later.